Hello children, today we are going to solve exercise 4.4 question number 2. The length and breadth of a rectangular metal sheet is 4.6 meter and 2.4 meter respectively. If the cost of metal is rupees 2.50 per square meter, find the cost of rectangular sheet. Solution: here the length and the breadth is given. You write down first. Length 4.6 meter, breadth 2.4 meter. Now we got the length and breadth. You find out the area of the rectangle. Area equal to length into breadth, 4.6 into 2.4. You multiply these two. When we multiply decimal number, you remove the decimal point, just multiply directly. After getting the answer, we can put the decimal point. 6 4 are 24, 2 in hand, 4 4 are 16, 7 and 18, 2 6 are 12, 1 in hand, 2 4 are 8, 9, 4, 10, 9, 10, 11. So here after decimal point altogether, it has here 1 digit, here 1 digit, altogether it has 2 digit. So start counting from the right end, 1 2, then put the decimal point. Square meter. Cost of square meter. Look at the question. Cost of metal is rupees 2.50 per square meter. Per square meter in 1 meter, the cost is rupees 2.50. You write down cost of square meter, rupees 2.50. Now we will find out cost of rectangular sheet. Cost of rectangular sheet. You multiply these two. It is not 0.4, 11.04 into 2.50. You multiply it, these two number. When you multiply, remove the decimal point, that is 25. For without decimal point, it will be 250. You multiply with only with 25. For this 0, you put 0 at here. 5 4 are 20, 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5, 2 4 are 8, 2 0 is 0, 2 1 is 2, 1 is 2, 0 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, 5 6, 5 6 7, 2. After decimal point altogether, it has 1 2 3 4. Start counting from the right end, 1 2 3 4. Rupees 27.6. Because after a digit, if there is many zero, all those zero we can ignore. We can write only rupees 27.6. So it is the answer. Let me solve one more question. Question number 3. A car takes 3.5 hours to cover 210 kilometers. How much time will it take to cover 918 kilometers? How much time will it take to cover 918 kilometers? Solution: time taken to cover 210 kilometers. How much time does it take to cover 210 kilometers? 3.5 hours. Time taken to cover 1 kilometer. In 1 kilometers, how much time will it take? Divide this 3.5 by 210 hours. Now we will find out how much time will it take to cover 918 kilometer. Time taken to cover 918 kilometer. 3.5 by 210, you multiply with this 918. Here is a decimal point in this number. We have to remove this decimal point. If you want to remove this decimal point, you multiply with 10. If you are multiplying with 10, same number, you need to multiply it down. Why we multiply with 10? Because after decimal point it has only one digit, that you multiply with 10. If it has two digits, multiply with 100, like that. Then when we multiply with 10, 10 has one zero, this decimal point it will move one places to the right, then it will become 35 2120 918. Now we can cancel this 35 we can cancel to 2100. 35 1 is 35, 6 is 210, 6 is 210. This 0 you write down here. Now these two you can cancel it by 6. 16 are 60, you cancel with 6. 6 1 are 6, 31, 6 5 are 30, 1 is left, 18, 3 6 are 18. For cancellations you can take a small number also. 153 by 10. We will divide 153 by 10. 10 1 are 10, 53, 10 5 are 53. Here is a remainder. Put one decimal point. When we put that one decimal point at the same time, we have to put 1 0 at here. Bring it down to 0. 10 3 are 30. Your answer will be 15.3 hours. 15.3 hours. This will be the answer. Today I have solved question number 2 and 3. The questions which I solved today, you copy down in your class-VII notebook, and after that you solve question number 1 by yourself. How to solve, let me just tell you. Here Rakesh purchased 3 books at rupees 35.60 each and 2 pencils at rupees 4.50 each. How much money did he spend? Cost of one book, you start like this. Cost of one book equal to rupees 35.60. Cost of 3 books equal to, you multiply this 3 into 35.60. There will be one answer. Same like that you do for pencil. For pencil also you find out like that. Cost of one pencil equal to rupees 4.50. Cost of 2 pencil equal to 2 into 4.50. You multiply, there will be an answer. Here will be an answer. These two answer you add it at the last, that will be your answer. So this, you solve this question number 1 by yourself in your homework notebook, and then these 3 question 1 2 3 question 3, these 3 questions you practice it in your practice notebook.